Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in.
Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this single monitor arm mount. Now, I have something very important to tell you about this product at the end, so make sure and stick around because we are going to discuss something that's very crucial for this product. First off, this is the arm mount right here. I just wanted to show you, I haven't put it together all the way because I want to show you some specific pieces here. First off is the base station here. This is actually where it rests on your desk. You'll notice these kind of rubbery little feet. I like that they included that. It rests on top of the desk just like that, and then this clamp attaches underneath of that to go ahead and really clamp to the underside of your desk. Now it just screws in here, and they do suggest if your desk is kind of thin, you can actually add a wood plank underneath of this to give it a little bit more of a section to grab onto. Now this is the first arm here, and you'll notice this little clip on the underside. It actually offers really good cable management here. So if you take a look at those two hooks kind of there, you can see that's where you can go ahead and run your cables down through the bottom side of this arm, and again right through here for good cable management and just make it look nice and tidy. Now the really important thing I need to discuss with you is actually this piece right here. This does not attach to the arm yet. You're actually going to go ahead and install this directly to the backside of your monitor that you plan on using this arm with. Now it is Visa compatible, and you'll notice these kind of two sets of 4 holes here. The inside are Visa 75 by 75, and the outside is 100 by 100, and that refers to millimeters. So just make sure that your monitor is compatible, and then you'll go ahead and install this plate to the back of the monitor and then go ahead and attach the plate to the arm. Overall, I've been really impressed with this arm. I think it's nice and high quality, very durable and heavy duty, has a ton of adjustments, and I would highly recommend it.
Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.